Space Campers, a US-based startup, has recently unveiled a groundbreaking concept for a camper designed specifically for the Tesla Cybertruck. This innovative truck topper takes inspiration from the Cybertruck's bulletproof design and aims to maximize the vehicle's utility and performance. Utilizing aerospace-grade composites and cutting-edge manufacturing processes, this wedge-style camper prioritizes strength, precision, and durability above all else. Space Camper's pop-up model is a testament to their commitment to pushing the boundaries of design and functionality in the world of truck accessories. Space Campers is urging potential owners to reserve their campers now, as production of the Cybertruck is expected to commence in late 2023. Once their trucks are received, campers will be prepared and delivered within 2 months. The camper's standard model is available in a sleek black gel coat finish, but customers have the option to enhance durability and heat protection by upgrading to stainless steel. The pre-sale price for the camper is $24,000, not including any additional accessories or upgrades.